Triple D hanging outside of Reno, Nevada at Butcher's Kitchen Char-B-Que. And the wild man here is Big Ed, who owns the joint with Ed Jr.
You're sort of like a Rembrandt in the kitchen.
Plus, he's pulled his other boys into the fire.
Just the way I taught you for the last 25 years.
The food is phenomenal. You smell it before you even walk in the front door.
One filet mignon sandwich.
The filet is as tender as you can get. There's a good char on the meat.
Plan for a nap afterwards.
Filet mignon is, of all the cuts of meat, my least favorite. There's not a lot of flavor. I don't like it grilled. So when I heard about this on the menu, I had to see it. Let's get in the marinade.
Okay, some red wine vinegar. We've got some lemon juice.
That is a lot of acid.
Fresh garlic, crushed red pepper.
He's making Italian dressing.
Right, black pepper, basil, oregano, sugar. We've got some parsley, a mustard powder.
Okay.
A little bit of thyme, and we got our salt. Give this a good blend. We're gonna add a little bit of water so it all comes together well. Add in our olive oil. We wanna give it some mouthfeel.
Should really think about going on the Food Network or something.
You know, I got some ideas.
We wouldn't even have time to break for a commercial. Now you're bringing in Pismo tender.
This is a tool that I created. It's called the Impressor. It's 60 razor blades, spring-loaded. I tried to give you one at the Truckee Diner.
Which is a Triple D joint we visited 10 years ago, where Big Ed happened to be eating. I couldn't take it. I can't fly with that.
It's gonna cut through the connective tissue, the things that make meat tough. But what also is great for fast marinating and brining.
Why don't we turn this into an infomercial?
A picture speaks 1,000 words. This comes with 2 pounding plates, just broadening it out a little bit.
I like what you're talking about, boss.
Okay.
So now, how long is the marinade gonna sit on here?
2 to 4 hours, that thing's flavored to the core. Then we're gonna cook it to a medium rare, cover with provolone, put it on a toasted bun with peppers and onions and pepperoncinis.
It's pretty simple, but knowing this guy, it's not gonna be simple on the flavor. Yep, I was able to make it happen, folks. I kept him from talking for 1 whole minute. I beat the family world record.
You win the prize.
All right, back to my old statement. I'm not a fan of the filet. But if you're gonna give it that kiss of the vinegar and the garlic, and then you hit it with the acid and the sweetness of the caramelized onions and peppers, but then you get some of the cherry peppers in there and a little salty provolone.
Yeah.
This is what you want steak sandwich. The real deal.
Thank you.
What do you think of the filet mignon sandwich?
It's fantastic.
You get the smoke, you get the herbs.
I'm devouring it. It's delicious.
Bratwurst sandwich.
The family really loves what they do, and it comes out in the food.
Super impressed.
Thank you. Thank you.
Super impressed.
Speaking of impressors,
Available